What's up guys, Ackeem still here. So in this video I'm going to unbox this tripod right here. As you can see, this camera tripod from NEEWER, and it basically comes in this package. Just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So as you can see guys, it basically come in this packaging, looking really neat, that you can use to carry around. You can basically place it on your shoulder like this and carry it around. Just a bit of transportation, really neat with this tripod right here. As you can see guys, this is how the tripod looking pretty neat. We've got a different extension right here. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and this is the product I'll be used to do most of my in-studio shoot, especially with my cameras and my mobile device. And this is a very sleek device from NEEWER. Great product, I'm loving this right here, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember that links for this video in the description if you guys want to check it out. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one. Peace out.